Good morning, students. So today we will going to solve some problems on divergence. So the problem statement given here is given a equal to 2xy ax plus z ay plus yz square az. Find del dot a at the point p 2 comma minus 1 comma 3. So the solution is here. The solution for this question, from given a we can find ax. We can find ax, that is equal to 2xy, and we can find ay, that is z, and az we get it as y into z square. So according to the divergence and del operator what we have seen, we know the formula del dot a. This is nothing but divergence of a. The divergence of a is nothing but derivative of ax plus derivative of ay plus derivative of az. Okay, so we can substitute the values here, that is dou by dou x into ax is 2xy plus derivative of ay, you can write like this, then plus derivative of az is y z square. So the derivative of this, what we get here, this is the partial derivative operation, so y value remains as it is. So 2 is the constant value, so derivative of d by dou by dou x of x is 1, so it is 2y plus, then derivative of y or derivative of z, we can take it this as 0 plus, so here the value becomes 0, then third one, derivative of z we have to find, that is y value remains the same, then partial derivative of z square is 2, y is constant, then it is z. So the value is total value 2y plus 2yz. So then we have to find the at the point p. So at p 2 comma minus 1 comma 3, x is 2, y is minus 1, z is 3. When you substitute in this equation, so that implies del dot a at point p, we had 2 into minus 1 plus 2 into minus 1 into z is 3. So this becomes what? Minus 8. So this is the scalar quantity. Okay, so this is the one problem. Next problem is find the divergence of a at point p 5 comma pi by 2 comma 1, where a is rz sin phi ar plus 3r z square cos phi into a phi. So when you look at this, this is the nothing but what? cylindrical coordinate system because we have the AR component and phi component. So this resembles the cylindrical coordinate system. If we have any theta value, that goes to spherical. So this is the cylindrical. So solution is A is in cylindrical system. Okay. Then what is the divergence? They asked you to find the divergence of A. So yes, in previous class we have seen the formulas. So divergence of A, we can take it as 1 divided by R into d by dr of R into AR plus 1 divided by R into d by d phi of A phi plus d by dz of Az. So this is the main formula. So we need to extract the values. So what is AR? AR is nothing but what? From the given A, we have to find AR is nothing but RZ into sine phi. Okay. And what is A phi? A phi is nothing but what? 3R Z square into cos phi. Then what is, we require AZ, but AZ is not given. So the AZ value will automatically go to 0. So if you substitute the value in this equation, what you are going to get? If I substitute here, I am to get it as 1 divided by R into d by dr of R we have, here on R is there. So this becomes what? R square Z sine phi. Okay. Plus 1 divided by R d by d phi or dou by dou phi of A phi is nothing but 3R Z square cos phi. Okay. Then here this is 0, this goes to 0, no problem. Then here the 1 by R remains same, then d by dou by dou R of R square. So this is constant value, I will take it as outside, Z sine phi, let it be here, this becomes what? 2 into R plus 1 by R, then dou by dou phi cos phi. Okay, derivative of cos is minus sine. So this is 3R Z square remains same, then it is in bracket minus sine phi. Okay, this is minus sine phi. Okay, next. So here this R get cancels, then this R and this R get cancels, then what remains? So we remain with what? So that implies this is 2 into Z sine phi minus 3 Z square sine phi. This is what remains. This is nothing but divergence of A. This is value we got. Then we have to find at point P. Then at point P, P value is 5, pi by 2, 1. Okay, so this means that P of this is R, this is phi, then here it is Z. Okay, so therefore divergence of A is nothing but what? 2 into Z is 1 into sine pi by 2 minus 3 into Z is 1, Z square, 1 square, 1 into sine pi by 2. Okay, so here it is 2 into 1 into sine pi by 2, sine 90 is 1, so 2 into 1 into 1, 2, minus 3 into 1 into sine pi by 2, it is again 1. This value is also 1, this value is also 1, so I am going to get minus 1 at P. So this is again a scalar quantity. This is divergence of A. Okay, so go to these two problems. Then in next class we will go with the Maxwell's first equation, and that first equation is not there for your IA. So till this much you study for the IA. Okay, so if you want one homework problem, I will give you one homework problem. Try to solve this. So that homework problem, you can note it down. Homework. Okay. So determine the net flux of the vector field given that D is equal to, or D in bracket x comma y comma z equal to 2x square y ex plus 2ay plus y az emerging from the unit cube 0 less than or equal to x comma y comma z less than or equal to 1. So please try to solve this and get the answer.